Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by me, and I am an accredited seller of DMCI Home. So today, ang di-discuss ko sa inyo is construction update natin para kay Allegra Garden Place. Okay pa? Hello po, kumusta po kayo? So right now, nandito ako ngayon kay Prisma Residences. So i-update ko kayo sa construction update natin for Allegra Garden Place. So before ko po simulan yung update, a quick information muna about Allegra Garden Place. So Allegra Garden Place is located along Pasig Boulevard, okay? In C5, okay? C5 Pasig City. So kung familiar kayo kay Bagong Ilog flyover going to Kalayaan, going to Market, makikita nyo sa right side. So merong ongoing construction doon. We're in the long projects yun. The first one is Prisma Residences and the other one sa katabi niya is Allegra Garden Place. So si Allegra Garden Place, so this one is composed of 2 high-rise residential condominiums po that hanggang 56 stories per each building. So here we're offering a studio unit, a 1-bedroom unit, a 2-bedroom unit, and a 3-bedroom unit. Okay, so dito medyo may mga options pa tayo ng kagandahan nitong project na to. This one is in between 2 business districts, particularly kay BGC and kay Ortigas CBD business district. So kagandahan nito, hindi nawawalan kung on the investment side, hindi nawawalan ng pwedeng mag-rent, pwedeng tenant, pwedeng maging tenant ninyo. And at the same time, mabilis din, maganda rin yung resale value niya and yung land appreciation po. So developing na po itong lugar na to, kaya maganda yung price increase nitong project na to. Okay, so ngayon currently ang project in Allegra Garden Place is nasa 75% na as of March 2024. So ito ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung project natin na yun. So this is the first tower. This is Amina building. So ito po kasama ito sa summer sellout promo natin. So standby tayo sa video, sa next video ko para sa sample computations natin ito. So this is the first tower and this is the second tower. So this is Soraya building. Okay. So dito naka-promo ito na 12% down payment in 36 months. Okay. So ang promo po natin will end until March 2024. Okay. So ito pakita ko sa inyo yung amenity core niya. Yan. So nagtatiling na sila ng pool, and then nakabukas na rin yung kitang-kita na natin yung lounge area ni Amani building. Okay. Amina building. Amani is SATORI residences. Okay. So natanggal na yung net kasi ito by next year magta-turnover na rin tayo dito kay Amina building. Okay. So anytime soon, diba? Tapos ito pong open area na to. So this one is our elevated garden. Yan, sa ibabaw na yan. And then ayun yung lounge pool, yung lap pool. Ayan. Tapos hindi pa nagta-tiles sa kabila. Okay. And then this is a Soraya building. So dito, ang kagandahan dito kay Allegra Garden Place is instead of the steel railing balcony, glass balcony na siya. And then at the same time, hindi na po siya window type aircon, split type na siya. Kaya kagandahan nun, that's to give way para mas maging wider, okay, yung doors and windows natin sa balcony. Compared dito po kay Prisma Residences, nakikita ninyo, meron pa siyang window type. Kaya kung makikita ninyo yung window natin, hindi pa siya maximized, hindi pa siya ganun kalaki. Pero dito kay Allegra Garden Place, mas malapad na po yung doors and windows natin sa balcony side, plus with the steel railing balcony, and also hanggang 56th floor. So I can't wait na matapos ito para pakita ko sa inyo yung view ulit, kasi before napapakita ko yung view ni BGC area and Makati area and Ortigas area pagka nandito ako sa project na to. Pero ngayon naharangan na niya dahil ang taas na po nitong building natin na to kay Allegra Garden Place. Okay? So that concludes my update po for the construction for Allegra Garden Place. Ngayon, if you want to know more about this project, nandyan yung numbers ko pa naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp, okay? And also, we can schedule an online presentation via Zoom, or pwede na tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing kasi meron din tayong model units na pwede makita dito, okay? So, thank you very much for watching po. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, ay meron notify po kayo. So, thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.